Most home inspections don't fall apart because something is wrong with the house. They fall apart because the report feels overwhelming and sellers react instead of deciding. I see this happen a lot in central New Jersey. An inspection report, an inspection report comes in, it's a long, detailed, and suddenly feels like everything is a problem. That's usually not the case. Here's the important thing to understand: an inspection report is not a list of things you are required to fix. It's a record of observations. Some matter to the deal, while some don't. Buyers are usually focused on risk, not perfection. They are paying attention to the safety issues, major systems, and anything that could affect financing, insurance, or resale. They are not expecting an older home to look brand new. Where sellers get into trouble is treating the inspection report like a repair checklist. That often leads to agreeing to fixes that don't change the value of the home, offering credits without understanding actual scope, or negotiating from stress instead of strategy. A simple way to think about this is like selling a car. If buyer points out bad tires, that's a reasonable concern. A cracked windshield, also fair, but a scratched dashboard, that's not a deal breaker at all. Homes work the same way. Not every imperfection affects whether a buyer will move forward or not. This is where smart agent guidance really matters. Smart agents don't respond to inspection reports by trying to satisfy every request. They look at which items actually protect the deal, which ones can be addressed differently, and which ones don't need to be negotiated at all. They also help prevent inspection conversations from reopening pricing discussions unnecessarily, which is something sellers often don't realize can happen. Deals usually don't fall apart because of inspections alone. They fall apart when responses feel reactive, defensive, or unclear. Calm, structured responses tend to keep buyers engaged even when not every request is accepted. That's why inspection negotiations are less about the report itself and more about how they are handled in real transactions in real markets. I am Roopa Nampally, also known as Roopa Realtor, broker associate with REMAX Select, serving Central New Jersey.